Welcome back students. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to change the background of pivot animator. So in this point we have to learn how to change the background. So how to change, see here, add a background to the animation. You may need to load the background first into the application using file load background option from the menu bar. तो देखो मेनू बार में फाइल लोड नाम का एक ऑप्शन है, तो इसमें पहले से ही मैंने इसको लोड किया है, इसको डिलीट कर देता हूँ. सो आई विल टीच यू हाउ टू ऐड द फ्रेश बैकग्राउंड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट क्लिक ऑन फाइल, देन सी द ऑप्शन लोड बैकग्राउंड. तो इसके ऊपर आपको क्लिक करना है और जहाँ पे भी आपका बैकग्राउंड इमेजेस है उसको सेलेक्ट करना है. तो यहाँ पे देखो मैंने क्या किया है, MS पेंट में एक ड्राइंग बनाई है और इसको ही मुझे क्या करना है, एज अ बैकग्राउंड बोल के यूज़ करना है. सो हाउ टू डू इट. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ओपन पेंट एप्लीकेशन और उसमें एक ड्राइंग बनाइए आप, और इस पे जाके फाइल, देन सेव एज, और आपको क्या करना है, JPEG पिक्चर, इसको सेलेक्ट करना है. तो ये जो आपका जो ड्राइंग है ये क्या बन जाएगा, JPEG पिक्चर फॉर्मेट बन जाएगा. मीन्स ये इमेज का फॉर्मेट क्या होगा, JPEG. So see, after that what you have to do, our task is we have to change the background. So click on file, then load background, then so see this is the option, our file is present on the desktop. Just click on desktop and click your images. So see, like this we can successfully add the background. So you can add your photo also at the background. Same आपको क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, file, then load background and select the picture which you want to add and click on open. That will be add inside this pivot animator background. So what is next point, next point is add figure. So how to add the figure. So see, it adds default figure to the animation. If there is more than one figure type in the animation, a figure type select window appear that allow you to select the desired figure type. See how to add the figure. See, just see the option add figure. So just double click on it. So see, we have added two figure here, 2 3. Wow, just click on add. So see, this is added. So using add figure you can add the default figure. Then what is next, next is moving stick figure. How to move this stick figure. So see here, there is onion skin and origin handle. So a stick figure consists of segments, line or circle that are connected by pivoting joints. देखो ये क्या है, कुछ segments है, ये एक दूसरे से कैसे connected होते हैं, using what, segment point. तो ये क्या है, onion skin, ये मीन्स ये जो शैडो दिख रही है ये क्या है, ओनियन स्किन है, और ये ओरिजिन हैंडल है. देन सेगमेंट हैंडल. सो दिस इज सेगमेंट हैंडल. सो दिस इज ओनियन स्किन, मीन्स ये जो शैडो दिख रहा है ये हो गया ओनियन स्किन. देन ओरिजिन हैंडल, और ये हो गया सेगमेंट हैंडल. सो यूजिंग दिस वी कैन गिव द मूवमेंट. So see what step you have to follow to add the movement step while moving the stick figure. To move the entire stick figure, click the origin handle and drag it to the new position. So see how to do it. So see, this is the origin handle, and see, using this we can change the position. Let me delete one. Select, or let me move from this side. So using this we can change the location, and click the drag the segment handle present at the end of the each segment. Then what next? While editing a frame, when you move the stick figure using any of its handle, a shadow like semi-transparent figure is seen on the screen. This figure is known as onion skin. तो देखो, जब आप कोई इस फिगर को मूव करते हो, ये बैकग्राउंड में देखो ये इमेज दिख रही है आपको, ये शैडो बन रही है, तो इसको कहते हैं ओनियन स्किन. While moving the stick figure, this onion skin you can see. So this is called onion skin. Then how to move it? So already we know how to move it. Creating an animation. So in this point we have to learn how to create the animation. You can create an animation by using the given figure controls. तो ये control blocks use करके आप क्या कर सकते हो, एनिमेशन बना सकते हो. सो सी these are the different controls. So what are the control? delete. तो ये जो ऑप्शन है क्रॉस का सिंबल है, ये क्या है, डिलीट है. और एडिट, सो ये जो है पेन जैसे सिंबल दिख रहा है, ये हो गया एडिट. देन फ्लिप, सो ये हो गया फ्लिप, और ये हो गया कॉपी. सो सी दिस वन प्रैक्टिकली. So this is what, when you move the mouse cursor, you can watch the name of this control. This is delete, this is edit, this is what, center figure, this is flip, this is what, join, unjoin, then figure color. Then these are the different option here. Using this you can create the animation. Okay, so color, center figure, all these options. See this one. So delete, it deletes the selected figure. Edit, it open the selected figure for the editing. Flip, it flip or mirror the selected figure horizontally. Or copy, it copies the selected figures. So see this one, how to do it. For example, if you want to delete something, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव टू डिलीट दिस. ओके भाई साहब आप बहुत हिल रहे हो, तो इसको डिलीट करना है. सिंपली आप यहाँ से क्या कर सकते हो, टाटा बाय बाय मीन्स डिलीट कर सकते हो. और सी एडिट, सो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन एडिट. सो फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन एडिट द फिगर, मिस्टिक फिगर. Then what is next? So this is the center. For example, you are trying to move this here and you have to move in center. See what happen. So this image will add in a center. So flip, so when you click on flip, see, so it will look like this, means it will flip to their self. Then what's figure color? Using this you can change the color. भाई साहब आपका कलर चेंज कर देता हूँ. So like this we can do it. So joint, so using this we can make the changes in the joint. Then copy, and this is paste. So see, using this we can make duplicate copy. So this is copy and paste. See, like this we can create the animation. So what is next? Color, center figure, all this we learn creating an animation. So step to add the animating step figure. So see this one, how to create the animation one more time. For example, see in this, so I have to create new animation. Just click on new. So here I will save this with demo 1. Then see, I have successfully saved here. I have to create one fresh animation. For that, so from here if you want to add the new stick figure, just click on file, then load figure type. From here you can see add the new figure. So here I am going to select the elephant. हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, दुम हिलाकर कहाँ चले, अरे हाथी राजा इधर आओ. So let me delete this one. चलो भैया टाटा बाय बाय, डिलीट हो जाओ, क्यों नहीं हो रहे हो? let me take it back side and from C. ओके तो हाथी राजा के ऊपर काम करेंगे हम. सो सी, हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, दुम हिलाकर कहाँ चले. सो लेट मी click on add. From here you can add the figure. So let me do some changes and add this one. Let me use this red handle and add this one. Again let me add this one. Let me change the angle, position and add this one. Let me change this and add this one. Let me add this one. Let me do something like this and add this one. So let me change the position and add this. So like this we can change the position from here here. Okay, tata bye bye and add this one. Add this one. So see, we have created one animation here. Simply we have added the stick figure in this timeline, and see here, this is extra one added. Just remove this. Oh no, it's okay. So see how it work. Just click on play button. See, हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, दुम हिलाकर कहाँ चले. So like this we can create the animation using the stick figure, and here we have used some control button, and this is the play button. Using this we can create the animation. Just click on stop. So what is next? See, all this is we completed. The last task is saving an animation. So how to save? Click the file menu and select the save animation. Type a file name in the file name text box. Click the save option to save your file. See how to save the file. Just click on file and see what is this, save animation as, or save animation. Just click on save animation. Give the file name. Here I will give what I can do, for example demo 1 2 3. So what is the extension? Please remember the extension .piv. maybe in exam this question will ask what type of extension your file will be saved when you try to save your file in pivot animator. So .piv is the extension. Just click on save. So here we have successfully created the animation, and later if you want to add your file here, just click on file, then open animation. From here just click on add animation and see. For example, this is already we have created. See here. So like this we can load the animation. So here we have successfully completed the chapter. So see, like this we can create the animation. So please student, if you like this channel, so please like and subscribe to my channel. अरे भैया जी कंजूसी मत करो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिएगा. सो लेटेस्ट अप टू डेट वीडियो आपको मिलते रहेंगे. तो जल्द ही मिलेंगे हम. ओके, टाटा बाय बाय, टेक केयर.